I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say.
Thank you. Hindi pa siya expired. I'm so happy. Hello! Kamusta ka? Gusto ko lang sabihin na okay lang gumising mag-isa. I mean, okay lang na pagising mo walang mag-prepare sa'yo ng breakfast. Okay lang kung tinatamad kang magluto. Okay lang din kung mag-isa ka lang kumain. Okay lang maging tamad sa araw na to. Yung wala kang plano. Basta gusto mo lang mag-chill. Yung wala kang iisipin na trabaho. Wala kang iisipin na deadlines. Tapos wala ka rin iisipin na bills. Ayaw mo makapag-usap. I mean, hindi ka naman loner, but you just want to be at peace with yourself. That's totally fine.
You are like a garden. Who you are is what you grow. Started with a seed then carefully nurture it year after year. Watch it slowly changing with the seasons. Braving through the drought and cold. It all happens with the reason. Cause one day your buds turn to blossoms and they all say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now. Planted her roots deep in the ground. Like magnolias in the spring, I open up my petals to the sky, soaking in the watercolors like blue. And even if it takes some time, well, flowers never rush to grow divine. Patiently in watercolors like blue. Every other garden you come across along the way will look a little different. Remember that every flower grows in her own way. And just because a snowdrop blossoms in the winter, it doesn't mean an orchid won't rise from the ground. And then everybody will say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now. Planted her roots deep in the ground. Like
Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa aking napaka-kalmadong araw na ito. Magkita-kita po tayo ulit next week sa aking mga susunod na videos. I'm Vanessa. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. At lagi mo lang tatandaan na, smile ka lang always. Bye!